Okay, so I've been asked for some video of this new turbo. Do a quick walk around of the rig. We'll do a startup in this video, and then we'll do a driving video. Keep in mind, while I'm driving, I'll be pulling this trailer. Pop the hood open here before I start it up. And there's Joey's Wits End turbo. A little bit tight fit with the intake. My relocation for the washer fluid over there. There's my down pipe. I chose to wrap and eliminate the front cat. Everything runs nice and smooth. Honestly feel that it idles better than it ever has. Not quite sure why. Maybe it's all in my head. That's what I feel. The acceleration is obviously smoother than it's ever been. Alright, next video will be running down the road.